Utang.
Utang.
Oh, Utang.
Utang.
Tesla Utang.
Um, Guys, I'm showing Bruce pictures of.
Excuse me, I just woke up.
Yeah, me also. We're just starting our day. Uh, the pictures of several plate numbers, personalized plate number. Right? Is that good? Plate number. Personalized. So, first plate number. Read it.
Well, I said Utang thinking the English version, but it's Utang.
Yeah, you try to sound it like very Filipino. Utang.
That's what I said. I said Utang.
Utang. What does it utang mean?
I have no clue.
It's a loan or debt.
Oh, debt?
Debt.
Oh.
Debt.
Debt.
Debt. Okay. Oh, next entry we have. Sorry to interrupt you listening, but here's the good news. I'm writing a newsletter at least twice a month. I write about quick Tagalog lessons, study tips, cultural insights, Philippine history, or anything that will inspire you speak Tagalog language. Sign up for my awesome newsletter. Find the link in the description down below.
I cannot read that.
Zoom.
Oh. Lubat.
Say it, follow, repeat after me.
Repeat after me.
Lubat.
That's what I said Lubat.
No, because the stress should be very what is this? Very precise. Lubat.
Lubat.
You know where it come from?
No.
It come from the word low bat.
Oh, low battery. Okay. So it's a Tesla with the license plate low battery.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just lubat. Say it, lubat.
Lubat.
Next. Plate number. I don't know what this means. I don't know. I'm not really so sure. Sometimes there is the words are adult word.
I really hate these personalized license plates because, as I always say, you're so damn clever that you came up with a plate that nobody else can decipher except for you.
Yeah, but especially with language and culture. Right?
Yeah.
I think I want to skip this.
Yeah, let's skip that one because I have no clue what that means.
It's not wholesome. This one. Okay, say it.
Filio?
Pil.
Pilio. Oh, yeah, Pilio.
Pilio. Pilio. You know what pilio means?
Nope.
Naughty.
Oh, naughty. Okay.
Next.
It's a good thing they're in Nevada.
This one. Okay. You know what that... read it, please.
Bakla?
Say it nicely. Bakla.
Bakla?
With the glottal stop in the end. Bakla.
Bakla.
What does it mean? What does it mean?
I don't know. You're here to tell me.
Means gay.
Oh, gay. Okay.
Okay. Next. I don't know this one. Maybe this is just a nickname. Say it. Nickname of a person.
Budio?
Budoy. Budoy.
Oh, Budoy.
Budoy.
Okay.
Next. Ah, I don't know. This is not wholesome, baby. But it's English, right?
Yeah, I have no clue.
Okay.
Again.
Okay, never mind that one. It's not Tagalog. Oh, you know that one.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay. Mm. Vanity plate is what you call it. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Next. What about this one?
Pandak?
Pandak. What pandak means?
I don't know. That's what you're here to tell me.
Short.
So
in
stop
height.
asking me what it means. That's what you're here to tell me.
All Filipinos are pandak. Short
Pandak.
in height. Pandak.
Not all.
Not all. Some are also like taller. Just like Allen is. I can't believe Allen is as tall as you.
It's been known to happen.
Yeah. This one. So read it, please.
Pitmalu.
Pitmanu. Pitmanu. You don't have any cultural context about this, but it came from the word malupit. Malupit. Malupit.
Really? It came from the word malupit?
Yeah.
I did not even think of that.
You-
Wow.
You know what malupit
What's malupit mean? No, you keep asking me, do you know? And it's like,
Yeah,
no.
that's why I said there's no cultural context on your part. Because especially this is for younger people like millennials and younger.
What does it mean?
Malupit literally means tough. Malupit.
Oh,
Tough
okay.
or clever. Sometimes it can be used in the context like you're a terror. Malupit.
Okay.
Okay. Vanity plate.
Igorot?
Igorot. Do you know what Igorot is?
We've already been through this before.
Igorot, yeah. You just-
No. You keep asking me, do you know what this means?
No.
The answer is always no. So
I
tell
know.
me, what is it?
I know, I already mentioned that before. Igorot is one of our cultural minority or ancient tribe, original Filipino
Oh.
tribe up in the north.
Okay, so then this is a person saying, hey,
He's-
I'm Igorot.
Yeah, part of Igorot.
Okay.
Yeah, so apparently what I'm showing you are plate numbers of Nevada people.
It looks that way.
Filipinos in Nevada. Hey there. Thank you. That's it.
Okay.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Pardon for our look. We're just starting our day.
She wanted to record.
Yeah.